Dobro Jutro, Divine Pisces 222. It is Wednesday, June 24th, 2020. I'm going to do a daily message from Spirit for you guys today. I really feel like what's happening right now is gonna change a lot of things, obviously, but I also feel it's gonna people's ideas, people's perceptions in general are changing, but I really feel that, and I said yesterday on my Twin Flame Connection check that I feel there's going to be a split. There's going to be the people who wake up, and there's going to be the people who are trapped in their illusions, and they will stay that way. And the ones who are awakened, I feel a temporary persecution coming for those people. Okay, so I would recommend upping your protection game, guys. I guess prepare yourself for battle. I had a download last night. It was in one of my dreams where I was picking a sword. I was choosing a sword from a pile of swords. And I mean, there was chaos around me. It was just, I had to take up arms. Okay. And so I do feel that it's not just the 3D plane that's in chaos. It's the astral plane. There's spiritual warfare happening here. I know I mentioned I'm being psychically attacked, and I know other readers who are being psychically attacked. So just be very careful, okay? Guard your energy, all right? Protect yourself on a daily basis, because it'll be temporary. I mean, the persecution will be temporary because, we will prevail. But there is going to be a fight, okay? So I'm not doom and gloom or anything like that. And I wouldn't say I necessarily always get premonitions, but I do get prophetic dreams a lot, and 9 times out of 10, they do come to fruition, okay? So overall energies for today, some of you are ready to just let something go here. There's this sense of having, because you don't have what you want, you don't have anything, and that's not true. I feel like a lot of people right now, there's like no gray areas right now. I feel like a lot of people are thinking very black and white. Okay, there is no middle ground. There is no compromise. It is either one thing or the other. It is either light or dark. It is either love or hate, black or white. So like, it's like there's just no I guess I'm trying to figure out what source is trying to get me to say here. You're either with us or against us, kind of an attitude on both sides. I'm talking light and dark, okay? I'm talking the conscious and the unconscious. I'm talking the astral and the 3D. It's like things are teetering, okay? And it's like people are picking sides, and it's very polarizing right now, okay? So some of you are recognizing this, okay, and are being pushed to release this attitude, okay? And it's very, very difficult to do that, but some of you just need to think outside the box. Some of you are still in a box, okay? And this is going to be a longish one today, guys. Sorry, I had to get some stuff off my chest. But yeah, some of you are still in a box right now, okay? And Source is trying to get you to think abstractly, okay? To get out of that mindset of, it's either right or wrong, it's either this or that, okay, and to think abstractly and look at the bigger picture, okay? And a lot of us are feeling defeated by what's going on right now. Some of the energies that are coming in are very, very defeating. We got a lot of swords. That's interesting. A couple swords here. But, yeah, I mean, it's like, this is what I'm talking about. Some of us are defeated by our illusions, okay? Look at this. You got the 10 of Swords and the 5 of Swords. Some of us feel defeated by our illusions, okay? Some of us feel betrayed by our illusions. Some of us feel betrayed by, you know, if you're in a soul connection or something like that, some of us feel betrayed by that because it didn't work out the way that we planned, because we had some sort of illusion that it was supposed to work out the way that we wanted it to, and it didn't. Therefore, we're feeling defeated, right? But the thing is, some of you just need to get the fortitude to just walk away, because it's been draining you. And the only way you can fulfill yourself and you can stop that draining is literally eight of cups, okay? You got to walk away from that situation, guys. And some of you, this is a soul connection here, okay? Whether that be, it could be a soulmate, it could be, you know, it could be a karmic soulmate, or even a twin flame if you are in a twin flame connection, okay? Yeah, some of you just need to acknowledge your emotions, acknowledge how you feel about what's happening right now with you, with things going on around you. Some of you have a situation that you've been afraid to speak up about to someone. You're afraid of the consequences, so to speak, but what this is doing is it's keeping you from being in your authentic truth, and that there are consequences with that, okay? So some of you just need to let it go. Okay. Some of you, it's like you're afraid to hurt someone's feelings. Okay, but what you're doing is you're hurting yourself. Okay, by not being honest. Okay. But just know, I mean, communication, answers, everything that you need to know is coming. Clarity is coming, okay? And that can come in any form, you know, it could come, you know, like I said, I get clarity, you know, in my dreams a lot. I get clarity from signs and things like that, but everybody, you know, gets their epiphanies differently, okay? But some of you, I mean, an actual romantic cycle is beginning, okay? A new one. That could be with a soulmate. It could be with yourself. It could be, you know, just love in general, okay? But just know that you are good enough, okay? And that this healing will pass, okay? These dark times will pass. They will pass. The earth is healing right now, okay? We're collectively, as a whole, humanity is healing right now, okay? So don't get caught up in the black and white. Don't get caught up in the polarizing energies that are happening right now. Just don't, okay? Remember where love comes from, and remember to project it, okay? Because hate begets hate, okay? So don't get wrapped up in that. Don't get caught up in the 3D illusion, okay? All right, guys. Well, I hope this has helped. If it has, please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.